Welcome to another ACM quick tip video. This lesson will be on how to utilize conditional formatting. This tool is useful for visualizing certain criteria within a large set of data. It basically highlights certain cells that apply to a formula or formatting that you input. The first step in the process is selecting the cells that you want to format. It will not work on the overall spreadsheet, only the cells that you select. Now from the Home tab, click on Conditional Formatting. We're going to start with the basic format and hover over Highlight Cell Rules, then click on Less Than. When you type in a number in this box like 125, you can see that it highlights all the cells in column E that are less than 125. But let's say you wanted to highlight the entire row. Let's first clear this rule and start over. Go to Conditional Formatting and click on New Rule. Now select the rule type. Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Then click in the rule you'd like to apply. In this case, you want column E, so click on cell E2, then less than sign, 125. Don't forget to delete the dollar sign so it picks up other cells in the column. Next, select the Format button, and under Fill tab, select any color you'd like to see. Now go back to Conditional Formatting, then click Manage Rules. Select the button under Applies To, and this allows you to select however many columns you want to expand the formatting to. Another part of conditional formatting is the data bars and color scales. As you can see with the color scales, it highlights the data according to a scale. Darker green is the highest, then as the numbers get less, it moves to yellow, orange, then red. There are also other color options. Icon sets and data bars present different ways to visualize the data too. You can go through this on your own to see which ones best fit your case. The last quick tip with conditional formatting is if you have text and you want to find a duplicate. There's a quick formatting option under Highlight Cell Rules that's called Text That Contains. Remember to have the cells selected where you want to format. Then you simply type in the word you want to find and select a specific color to highlight the duplicates. Now if you're working with a few numbers and you use the duplicates formatting, you can see it just returns them all in the same color. A quicker way is to go to the color scales and select one of those. If you're working with a large set of numbers, go to Highlight Cells Rules and then select Equals To. Now you can highlight the individual numbers by color. Thank you for watching this ACM quick tip video. Please hit the like button and subscribe for more.